Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. So, in science, we are learning the 15th block, which is water purification. Okay, so in this, we have learned about the filtration, sedimentation, decantation, and boiling, isn't it, children? So, in the fourth topic, we are going to learn about chlorination. So, what do you mean by chlorination is there is a chemical substance called chlorine. It's a substance called chlorine which helps to kill the germs, okay, in the water. So, what they do is they add chlorine gas into the water so that the germs in the water get killed and water becomes purified. Okay, so this chlorine is mainly used in municipalities and gram panchayat to purify the water, children. Okay, and if you see the large water plants, water treatment plants, there water is collected from the lakes and rivers, and it goes through a step by step purification of water. Okay, that is filtration, sedimentation, decantation, boiling. All the steps are taken into step by step, and at the time of chlorination they insert the chlorine gas into the water so that it kills all the germs. Okay, see, we get water to our homes, isn't it, children? From from where we are getting from the water storage tank, and from where it is getting the water, it's from water treatment plant. So this water treatment plant, what it does, it takes the water from the river and lakes, they purify it and store it in water storage tank, and from there you get the water to our houses. Okay, in the water treatment plant all these steps have been taken. Okay, filtration, sedimentation, decantation, boiling, and also the chlorination. Okay, and if you see nowadays in villages and towns also, people use the water purification tablets, which are nothing but chlorine tablets, to clean the water. Okay, to purify the water so that it becomes safe for drinking. And also people who go on adventurous trips also take these chlorine gases, because they'll have water on from the rivers and lakes directly, isn't it, children? So after doing their own sedimentation, filtration, they'll add some these chlorine tablets so that it becomes completely safe for them to drink the water. Okay, children, so that is about chlorination. Okay, so for this topic I have given few keywords in your daily schedule, children. Please learn them and write it in your classwork. Coming to your question answers, how does chlorination help in purifying water? How is it done? So chlorination kills the germs in the water, isn't it, children? It's a substance called chlorine which is mixed in the water, and the kills the germs inside it. So in that way chlorination is done. Okay, so write this answer in your classwork book, children, and please learn it. Coming to your home, another question, next question, why should we carry chlorine tablets if we go for camping? To purify the water, isn't it, children? This chlorine tablets purifies the water. While campaigning or going on an adventurous trips, we use the water from wells, stream, ponds, rivers, lakes that we find. So if we carry this chlorine gas, we can purify the water before we use it. Okay, that's why we need to carry chlorine gas. Okay, so write these two answers in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 2, page number 38, S4, chlorination. Okay, so with this we have completed with our block, children. In the next class I'll meet you with the new block, children. See you in the next class. Bye.